So this is the most powerful weapon of all, a stock. But this stock is very special, in fact. In fact, it is an entire gun. This is a Henry U.S. Survival 22. It comes with two 8-round mags. It all stores in the stock. And you put it all together. Barrel screws on. Technical difficulties. There we go. You got to make sure it lines up right and clicks. And then your receiver and barrel slides into the stock right here. And then you screw it on. Till it gets snug. Don't put it tight like I did when I first got it. I couldn't get the sumbitch out. So then you put your buttstock on, slap your mag in, and you're ready to go. Well, we had out of battery, but that's okay.